moving on to the third question now. Oliver is building a box kite, which was shown the shape here. The frame of the kite has the dimensions shown. So dimensions are shown here. So when they say this is 30, obviously, and this is 30, so this would be 30, right? And this would be 30. So the bottoms are squares, right? So the top and bottom are two, both are squares. He covered the sides of the kite. So he is covering the sides of the kite, means front, back, left and right. But not the top and bottom, they said. So we're not going to count the top and the bottom. So we don't need this top square, we don't need the bottom square, right? So he's just covering all the four sides of it. Means four rectangles he's trying to cover it. Cover it means we need the area of the four rectangles. That should be equal to 7200, right? So before going there, but I don't know the height of this. So let me assume this height to be, say, x. So then this would be x, this would be x, this would be x, right? So now, when he covers, he's saying he's covering here, right? Let me see where it is. Covers. Covers means that related to surface area, right? So now all four faces are covered, right? So area, all four faces, area is given here. Area equals 7200. Now, let me add the area of all four faces, right? So let's keep counting. Now first I'm going to front and back, right? The front is this. It has the dimensions 30 and x, right? The front is a rectangle with the dimensions 30 and x. So front and back area is going to be like 30 times x, 30 times x. This is just a front, but I want front and back, so double it. So which gives you 30 times 2, 60 with x. So front and back was done. Now I'm coming to left and right. Left and right area equals, so coming to the left, so coming to the right, see the dimensions of the right rectangle. So this is the rectangle that we have with the dimensions still 30 with x. So 30 times x, and just to double it, which would be 60x. So the total front, back, left, right, all the four faces area is going to be 60x plus 60x, which would be equal to 7200. That's what they have given to us. So now 60 plus 60 is 120x equals 7200. Let me isolate for x. Divide with 120, divide with 120, cancels out. So x equals 0, 0 cancels. 12, 1 times 12, 60 times it get cancelled out. So x equals 60. But x is what here? X is the length of the rectangle, length or width of the rectangle, either dimension. So now you know x equals this x, sorry, x would be the height of the rectangle. So x is equal to 60. So now the question is, what is the volume inside the kite? So they're asking the volume. So if you want to get the volume of this rectangular prism, again you can use the base area times height, right? Base is basically a square, so square area times height. So square area is like 30 times 30 times the height is, we got it as 60, so 60. Now multiply all these three, so we're going to get 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 6, 54 with 3 zeros. So the units are in centimeters, so the volume would be in centimeter cube. So the volume of this whole box kite is going to be 54,000 centimeter cube.